Hello everyone, my name is Vera and today I will guide you through the liquidity providing strategy at EarnPark. Once you're logged in, you are on the portfolio page. Here you will find a list of strategies with different APYs and different risk levels. Today we are focusing on the liquidity providing strategy. Current expected APY for USDT liquidity providing strategy is 12%. This strategy has a medium risk level, which is calculated based on the formula our team uses, and I will leave a link to the calculations in the video description. We click on the strategy to get to the strategy page. Here, you will find all the strategy details, such as the number of active investors, for how long the strategy has been running, and the amount of rewards that have been paid out. The liquidity providing strategy has daily withdrawals. Payouts for this strategy are daily, and these rewards are added to the initial deposit. And that means they're capitalized daily, and essentially you'll be earning interest on interest. The rewards can be tracked in the transaction history here. Next, you will find the info about how the strategy works, and let me briefly explain it to you. Liquidity providing means your assets are deposited into liquidity pools on decentralized exchanges, cross-chain bridges, and yield aggregators such as Uniswap, Aave, Seabridge, and others. They help make trading smoother by ensuring there's enough liquidity for buyers and sellers. In return, you earn a share of trading fees. These are automatically reinvested to maximize returns. So imagine you own a decentralized exchange or protocol and earn a commission from every trade. That's how a strategy works. These are shared among liquidity providers. More staking equates to higher earnings. Risks are hedged where it's possible. For example, the impermanent loss risk is insured with contracted futures trades. To execute this strategy, we take on the responsibility of searching and analyzing protocols. We are identifying and evaluating various financial protocols to determine their viability and potential for profitable strategies. We also do the formation and testing of the strategy. We are developing, organizing, and rigorously testing financial strategies to ensure their effectiveness and alignment with market conditions and goals. We also reduce transactions costs by pooling liquidity. By combining liquidity from multiple sources, we can decrease transaction costs, making trading more efficient and more cost effective. We also automate and hedge strategies to reduce risks. We are automating the execution of strategies and implementing hedging techniques to mitigate risks, ensuring more stable and predictable returns. But remember that profit always correlates with risk, and bigger the profit, bigger the risk. There are a couple of risks to keep in mind. First, there's smart contract risk, meaning there's always a chance of bugs or vulnerabilities in the smart contracts used by these pools. We use platforms that have past security audits, have provable track record, and overall less susceptible to vulnerabilities. The second risk, there's impermanent loss, which happens when the value of your deposited assets changes due to price fluctuation. To manage this risk, when we provide liquidity to pools of two tokens, we hedge a position on the futures market. DeFi sector is actively developing, and if you, like us, are betting on digital assets, all you need to do is accumulate and invest in digital assets. To get started, first review the strategy details to understand the risks and rewards. When you're ready, click Deposit. Choose your network and copy the address provided. Then go to your wallet or exchange and send your assets to this address. After making your deposit, you can track its progress in the Transaction History tab in your account and in your portfolio. Please make sure to check the FAQ section for more info on deposit times, fees, and limits. And that's it. Check out the assets available for you to liquidity providing strategy. And thanks for watching and happy investing.